attending Turo University. My name is Conrad Layn. Did you know you don't have to own one car to earn a lot of money on Turo? It's already being done. What you can actually do is you can actually become a custodian. You can manage other people's cars as long as they give you access to the car. And even if you don't own it, it could be a friend, it could be a family, it could be a significant other, a brother, sister, it could be a coworker. It doesn't matter who it is. If someone gives you access, it could be a dealership even, it could be a company. If they give you access to the car and give you authorization to rent the car on Turo or share the car on Turo, then you can actually do that and make money on Turo with other people's cars. So the strategy here is what you want to do is you go on LinkedIn, you go on Facebook, you go on Instagram, any type of social media channel, and find people or people you already know that are already in your social environment or in sphere of influence or people that you know personally and say, hey, I'm running a business. I'm gonna basically a manager of assets, a manager of cars, and I rent cars on Turo. I'll pay you a cut, whatever you want to pick, and maybe pay them 30%. You take 70%, or maybe you're paid 30%, they earn 70%, or 50-50, whatever the case is. And you run the business. You earn money that way with other people's cars. You don't have to get any car loans. You don't own the car. You have to worry about that. You have to do anything else besides that. All you have to do is basically manage the vehicle. This is good for someone who just wants to get their feet wet with other people's cars. If you have bad credit, doesn't matter if you have good credit. If you have bankruptcy, it doesn't matter. This is a great way because you don't actually have a loan. You're just using other people's cars. Consider that. Anyways, love you guys. Like, subscribe, share. Carly out. Peace.